Making tables. Look at this. Look at this. This is not bad. This is not bad. You guys aren't scared of those. Except plugging a 3, 4, 5, and a 6 and a 7 into this, they're not going to be pretty numbers right here. Which one? 3 will give you a pretty number. 4 will give you a pretty number. 5 will not give you a pretty number. Neither will 6. And 7 will. 7 will give you a pretty number. Just leave the numbers for 5 and 6 in radical form, okay? Okay. All right, so all you're doing is you're plugging numbers into the function to finish these tables. Now, you guys might be confused about these ones. You're like, oh my God, what is this stuff right here? Guys, these are, what are they called, conditionals or requirements? So like, if you wanted to plug an X into this rule right here, there's 2 rules right here. There's this top rule and there's bottom rule. If you want to plug an X into this top rule, it has to satisfy this condition. Is the X less than or equal to 0? So where would you plug in -2? Would you plug in -2 to the bottom rule or the top rule? -2 is less than 0, so you would plug it into the top rule. Only you don't plug it into the bottom rule at all. And so you plug in the top rule, and then you get your number right here. So you would go -2, -1/2 times -2, and then I add the faux. What is negative times a negative? That's a positive. What is 1/2 times 2? That's 1. And so I get 5. And so you put a 5 right here. No problem. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, so give me a number in my table that I could plug into the bottom one.
1.
Uno? Right here. Yeah, I could plug uno in there because it's greater than 0. So if I plug in uno, I get 1 plus, or I'm sorry, not plus, -2. And I'm going to square the dog. And so I get -1, and I square the dog, and I get 1. And so if you plug in 1, you get 1. All right, that's what you got to do. You got to obey the rules right there. Follow the conditions.